Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world, welcome. I'm Kim Serafini. I want you to be really excited about the opportunities that you have to learn in an accelerated and much more powerful way through positive prime sessions. There are hundreds of courses, let's call them study courses, in our opportunity. There are world-class people who are offering their very best in an incredible new format. A positive prime session actually does something remarkable. It puts you in a brain state that actually is allowing you to absorb the messages in a much more potent way so that you can actually recall them, remember them, recall them, remember them and recall them, and then apply them. So if you would like to actually understand a lot more about how accelerated learning is facilitated, maybe you'd like to learn more about Dr. Paul Shealy's work in photo reading and so forth, but also there are a great many studies on engagement in learning environments. And when you have your brain positively primed, which means that you've got all of the areas activated and stimulated and alive inside your brain that allow you to learn and be creative and problem solve and think about what you're actually learning, you do this and you benefit. So I like to encourage every single person who's offering a training program or who is teaching to make sure that they deliver their messages inside a positive prime session as an extra resource, a supplementary or complementary tool that actually enhances the process. People who are positively primed do actually perform a lot better on tests or examinations. There's lots of research studies about this. People who are positively primed are actually more creative under pressure and solutions orientated. People who are more positively primed are actually have an easier chance of comprehending what it is that they're learning, and they have less anxiety when they actually go through applying it and recalling it. So whatever you do, make sure that you really are noticing what it is that you're learning as you watch each and every single one of these positive prime sessions. They range from all sorts of subjects and topics. And if you're like me, you'd have over 300 in your library now. And I love each and every one of them for their uniqueness. Each and every single one of them is actually differentiated from the other. And I'm learning so much. It's such a fabulous way to actually acquire knowledge, but know that I'm doing it in a really efficient and effective way, and know that in a very unconscious way, I'm actually applying what it is that I'm learning because I learned it whilst I was positively primed. Anyway, so here's to learning in a much smarter way and to becoming even brighter.